Today's video is my thoughts on the Zebra DelGuard mechanical pencil. I am a new person to mechanical pencils. I press quite hard and I always seem to break the lead on mechanical pencils. So I've always kind of avoided them. I also had a while where I used these kind of mechanical pencils with a really thick lead. But I found those a bit annoying to keep sharp. So I looked into different options and I came across this one. Okay, so first up, it feels very nice in the fingers, so you can hold it quite close to the lead, or you can hold it quite far back. It fits quite nicely into the fingers. It's got a very nice build to it. What I do like about these kind of mechanical pencils is that the line can be very fine. I'm somebody that quite likes to do smaller drawings, so I find that this pencil is kind of perfect, especially for like just mapping out the beginnings of a drawing. So I'm definitely pleased with this pencil. Especially as I've never really got on with these kind of pencils before. The reason for choosing it is that I want to see if I can show this on camera. There's a spring in the pencil, which means that I don't break the leads. I mean, it hasn't broken on me yet, whereas that is something that happened on the regular when I used to do a lot of drawing about 10 years ago. And as I've mentioned many times, but in case you're new here, I haven't done much drawing for about 15 years, and I'm trying to get back into drawing. And so one of the things that I've been doing is trying to find some tools that I can use that are going to encourage me to draw more. And this pencil is definitely doing that. So if you are somebody that has never got on with mechanical pencils before, I would recommend giving this Zebra DelGuard pencil a go. Those are my thoughts on this pen. Part of my process at the moment, because it's Inktober, is to use this mechanical pencil to rough out the drawings and then to use the Lamy Safari to ink out the drawings as it is Inktober. So if you're interested in my thoughts on the Lamy Safari fountain pen, please go and check that out. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.